my name is Kevin Goolsby, and I go to Horizon Science Academy, Cleveland High School, and today I'm going to show you the old Foamy, or the Elephanth toothpaste. So first, you need 30% hydrogen dioxide, and you need a lab coat and goggles for safety reasons, precautions. You need 30% hydrogen dioxide, already prepared, sodium dioxide in here, and you need dish detergent and food coloring, so you can have a different color. So I'll pour this in here first. Add some of this. I'm gonna stir it around. And make sure you have a container that's deep. You see how it's deep? Get a good container. Let me get some food coloring. Get some food coloring, whatever food coloring, see? I have different colored food coloring. I chose blue, my favorite color. Okay. And now, let me clear everything out the way. Make sure when you do this, you clear everything out the way. It's gonna be awesome. As you see, the hydrogen dioxide, it produces exothermal and heat and steam. And the sodium iodide, that it causes the reaction to go fast, because right when I put it in, it came out. And it produces water vapor and oxygen gas. So this was Old Foamy. Thank you for watching.